Understanding Face Palette, a guide for English language learners. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating phrase in the English language, face palette. It's a term you might encounter in beauty and cosmetics conversations. Let's explore what it means and how you can use it in your daily English communication. Stay tuned to become more confident in your English vocabulary. A face palette is a cosmetic product with a variety of color options for makeup. Typically, it includes different shades for the cheeks, eyes, and sometimes even contours and highlighters. It's like a painter's palette but for makeup artists and enthusiasts. A face palette allows you to mix and match colors to create the perfect look for your face. The term palette originates from the thin board on which artists mix their colors. When we add the word face to it, it implies a set of makeup colors designed for application on one's face. It's a handy tool for anyone who loves to experiment with makeup. Now that you know what a face palette is, let's put it into practice. You can say, I bought a new face palette with amazing blush and bronzer shades. Can you recommend a good face palette for everyday use? Using the phrase in different contexts will help you remember it better. And that's a wrap on face palette. I hope this video has illuminated this colorful term for you. Whether you're chatting about beauty trends or discussing makeup, now you can do so with greater confidence. Keep practicing, and you'll be mastering the English language one phrase at a time. See you in the next video.